Give it to me now. Give me your thing. So sometimes, it may be that November is when it's due, but if it's not due in November, then, maybe I'm off touring, or maybe I'm off doing whatever it is I do with my time. I seem to do things. I don't really know what they are. What's that? I do the internet. It's true. But I don't think I spend as much time on it as people think I do. People are like, you spend all your time on the internet. I'm like, I'm just very sneaky about how I do it. I can internet in like a second. I can be like, done. I just interneted. Just now. When? Just now. I didn't see you. I internet with my mind. Ideally, I would like my head to be connected to the internet. I know that they write dystopic novels about that, about how that's so horrible, but I'm like, I want that. No, that's not a nightmarish vision of the future. That's give that to me now. Google my brain up. Not really. Yeah, how about, you look kind of guilty. You're like, I don't know how I feel about my question. What color is your jar? Your jar is clear. What that is in reference to is I frequently on Twitter say that you are in jars. That's because you are. Every time you follow me on Twitter, I put your essence in a jar. I keep you safe. Don't worry. You have a nice shelf. You have a carrying case. You happy in there. You like it in there. You're happy. You're not unhappy. Don't worry. I have air holes in it. I'm not stupid. Okay? I'm not dumb. A little bit dumb. I'm not totally dumb. Yes, in the purple. Sure. Okay. The question was, I have only just begun my reign as Queen of Teen UK, and what have I accomplished and what do I hope to accomplish? What that means is I recently won a title in the UK called Queen of Teen UK. I was the only American person on the ballot, and I won, which was a little embarrassing. And I had a coronation ceremony. And it was at a manor house. I did get a crown. The crown is in England, and I have a traveling tiara, and I have a sash. I was sick at the coronation, and it rained. And we were all huddled under a beautiful tent of Indian silk, and it rained, and all the cakes, beautiful pink cakes and pink lemonade, and we were all huddled under the marquee like this, because that's what you do in England. They're so hardy, it doesn't matter to them. It rains, they're just like, whatever. A lot of English people, do you ever deal with English people? I deal with English people a lot. Very common experience is English people will tell you about going on vacation. They're like, yeah, we went to the seaside, it was beautiful. Well, it rained, so we sat in the car and ate sandwiches. That is childhood for everybody in England. Everybody has a story about how they went to the seaside and it rained and they sat in the car and ate sandwiches. I'm like, that's the saddest thing I've ever heard. They're like, no, it's fun. I'm like, why do you all have the same story? They're like, because we're English. That's what happens here. Like, really? We sat in the car and we ate sandwiches. Bless them, they don't know what real weather is. They don't understand. They would come here and feel this, they'd get upset. They'd be like, why is it so hot? They don't know. They're adorable. They don't know. Are any of you English? You are? Really? Can you say some more words, please? Where are you from? Right. This thing about the sandwiches? Is it? Have you done it? Are you just saying that? Have you really done it? See, and do you have the thermos of tea as well sometimes? In the Tupperware, and it's so upsetting for us to hear. Is this your wife? You've never met this person? Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, you look nice together. Do these stories make you cry when you hear about these sandwich stories? Oh, but I mean, when you hear them, are you like, that's sad? It is sad. And they all get the little looks on their faces like they're remembering, like, remember the time we sat in the car and ate sandwiches in the rain when we were supposed to be at the beach? It was fun.